Hello everybody, this is Mr. Faraway. It's finally possible to have QR code injection for Pokémon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. Yes, it is now possible to easily inject any Pokémon you want really easily, and basically all that's required is a custom firmware called Luma. For those who don't have custom firmware yet, yes, it can be installed no matter in which version of system update you are. There is a link to the best available guide in the description. Follow that guide and you'll soon have Luma installed on your 3DS. Now let me explain how the injection works. Luma is a custom firmware that can allow you to apply fan-made patches to a game. And there is a patch that makes it possible to inject Pokémon through QR code scanning. It works slightly different from the QR code injection from XY, Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, but it's quite easy and intuitive. So let's go through the steps you need. The first thing you need is a 3DS. It can also be a 2DS or new 2DS, 3DS, even XL versions. You obviously also need Pokémon Ultra Sun or Ultra Moon, digital or cartridge. You need to have the Luma custom firmware installed. Follow the guide in the description if you don't have it yet. How do I know if I have Luma? It's easy, there is one quick and easy way to tell. Turn on your handheld while holding down select. If you have Luma, this menu will pop up. That's Luma's settings screen. If you had to do this to figure out if you had Luma, you can already pick the correct settings while you're at it. Pick the exact same options as these in the picture. Be careful while doing this though. Try not to click anything other than the necessary. Up and down on the directional pad will move you through the options. A to mark or unmark an X. Start will save and quit. If you just want to quit without saving, in case you made a mistake, just click the power button. If you already knew you had Luma, check to see if your settings are the same as I just showed. And if they aren't, make them the same. This is an important step. This you just did was enabling the Luma to insert fan-made patches to your games. Okay, so now you have almost everything set up. Your handheld and game are ready, and you have Luma installed and properly set up. Now all you gotta do is install the patch. The patch download in the description has only the QR code patch to simplify things. But you can have other patches alongside the QR code patch, merged in one single patch file. I'll leave a link in case you're interested on the other patches. Alright, after you download the file, you need to put that patch into your SD card. I've pre-prepared the file to make it easier, so you can just put it in the SD card as it is. But in case you wanna learn how it's done, I'm gonna explain it in detail. On the root of your SD card, make a folder called Luma. Then, inside it, a folder called Titles. Inside the Titles folder, you create a folder based on whichever game you have. If you're playing Ultra Sun, the folder should be named
00040000001B5000.
If you're playing Ultra Moon, the folder should be named
00040000001B5100.
Now, get the proper patch for your version update from the patch download and put it inside this folder. The file has to be named code.ips. You'll need to know which update version your game is in. If you often play the game online, you're most likely on the latest update. If you wanna be 100% sure, just enter the game and before selecting continue, look at the bottom screen to know which one you'll need. In my case, it's the latest version 1.2. So, open the downloaded patch, go to the proper version you have, and copy the files over to your SD card. The code.ips file has to go on /luma/titles/
00040000001B5000.
if you're playing Ultra Sun, or /luma/titles/
00040000001B5100.
if you're playing Ultra Moon. Once the file is there, open your game and use the QR scanner to scan a code created for the 7th gen. Keep in mind that codes for XY, Omega Ruby or Alpha Sapphire don't inject in this. Once you scan a code, the Pokémon will be injected to the first slot of the first box of the PC. Make sure you don't have a Pokémon in there, otherwise you'll lose it, as it will be replaced. Here's a QR code for you to test. It gives you a Victini. On my next video, I'll make a video full of legendaries for you to inject. So subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it, or any other QR code videos coming very soon. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next video.